And today is the 29th of April 2022. We have Piettasenkatu 20 staircase A. We have a residential building with 3 staircases here. We're gonna go to the staircase B and C here also. And yes, like I said, this was built in 1994, turns 25 years old in 2019. Might be from 1994. And this number is B1 and E1625, and capacity is 4 grams, so 305 grams. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2023. These are 2 rides.
Yeah.
It's here in Leinola, Tampere, Piettasenkatu, Finland, one of the suburbs.
Inspected by QA inspector, maintained by Con.
That's it, thank you very much for watching. Oh, sorry.
That's